Breakups are so tough, right? You feel so annoying, angry, lonely, like you feel so hurt, shattered. You feel as if the world is ended here, and you want to hear some sad music, some sad song, all that, silly things you like. You want to just end your life. There are so many people around you, but still you feel like you're the only one. You're all alone in this world. It's so annoying. You want to do so many things, but you're not able to concentrate on anything. You're not able to concentrate on your work. You're not able to concentrate on your other relationships, like your family, your friends, and all the shit is happening around. You find everything so bloody difficult, right? Because your subconscious mind is still with that person. It's still with your ex. I'm so sorry if you're going through this phase of your life, but you know what? Just don't worry. I'm here to help you out. I'm gonna tell you few steps to get over your breakup, and I'm gonna tell you how to deal with it. So welcome back to my channel, Math CC, and let's get started. If you're feeling lonely, you're feeling hurt, you feel shattered, you want to cry, and all this, that's okay. That's really normal. You want to cry? Go cry. Don't hide your emotions. Just do what you want. Just forget the world. Forget the feeling you have in your mind right now that, मेरे साथ ही क्यों गलत हुआ, मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था. And I did so much for this person. I did that, I did this, and all the crap. But you know what? The truth is, it's over. Okay? The truth is, you people are not together. The truth is, you cannot just live with broken heart. The truth is, you have to get over it. So I'm going to tell you 5 simple steps to get over your breakup. The very first step is ignore. Learn to ignore. Now, it's so easy to say, but nahi hota yaar. It's so difficult, right? How can you ignore a person you were with for years, or maybe for 1 year, or maybe for a few months, or maybe for years? So things are not really possible, it's easy to say, but it's so difficult to do. But you know what? The fact is, we have to do it, right? Out of sight, out of mind. Trust me, that works. Block your ex from everywhere, from your social media, from your FB, Insta, from everywhere. Just block that person. Stop sending her or him messages. Stop calling that person. Just get rid of this person from everywhere. You don't want to see your broken heart, right? So you have to do it. You don't even think about that person anymore. If you get your ex's thought, just ignore it. Get involved with something else. Get involved with your hobby. Get involved with something you really like to do. There are people who wants to be friends even after breakup. That is your choice. That is entirely your choice. You want to do it, do it. But you know what? If you are really hurt, if you're not happy with your breakup, and if you still want to be friends with that person, that's not going to help you out at all. You will never heal if you're going to be with that person, because this person was your love, and this person is not with you anymore, and tomorrow this person is going to be with someone else. And if you're being friends with that person, you'll have to see all that, and that will happen in front of your eyes. If you're okay to do that, be friends. If you're not, then get rid of that person ASAP. Point number 2 is focus on yourself. Now you have to focus on yourself because you have forgotten yourself completely. Loss of partner is not just loss of a person, it's loss of your future. You must have thought of your life with this person. You must have dreamed about so many things with this person. But when this person goes away from your life, everything goes with that person, right? You feel so shattered. You feel as if सब कुछ खत्म हो गया type. And that's okay. That's completely fine and that's completely normal. पता है, काफी सारे लोग होते हैं, उनको लगता है कि यार ये person के जाने से मेरी life बिल्कुल खत्म हो गई है. Now how will I live without this person? And that is okay. But you know what? You can't drag it, right? You have to live with it. You have to live your life. You cannot just be like, I can't do anything without this person. That's just not possible. Life has to go on, right? Your life cannot just end with one person. So now, time to focus on yourself. Do something you like to do the most. Just pamper yourself, or like find some hobby in you, or if you're passionate about something, follow your passion and do something to keep yourself busy. Initially, you have to put some efforts for yourself. It's for your good. So obviously you have to do it, right? Third point is make new friends, meet new people, go on trips, do something you love to do the most. Reach out the family, your friends. And you know what? True friends are a big support. They are gonna support you for sure. Talk to them. Don't hide your feelings. Please, you can share your feelings, your sad feelings also with your family and with your friends. If you can't do that, just talk to strangers and just talk to them about yourself. Just help yourself get rid of all these things. So meeting new people, talking to your family, talking to your friends, even talking to strangers is gonna really help you out. Point number 4 is don't look for replacement. I've seen many people when they have breakups, no? वो जाके they go on dating apps, they go and find someone else. This is not gonna help you for long term. Okay? आप replacement कैसे ढूंढ सकते हो? Like when your heart is broken, okay? When your mind is empty, when you're so hurt, try to do something which makes you happy. Replacement cannot make you happy because you're sad inside, and you will try to find your ex in your whoever is there right now with you. So replacement is not a solution. And 5th and last point is accept it. I'm sure at this point of time you're not able to accept that your partner is your ex right now. But you know what? This is the truth. It's okay. It's really fine. It's better to be away from a person than to be in a toxic relationship, right? You have to accept it. And if you follow all the steps, definitely you will get over your breakup. And that will really help you heal. Many people feel like breakup is just end of life. मेरी life खत्म हो गई, अब मेरी आंखों के आगे सब अंधेरा है, मुझे और कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. I can just see that person in front of my eyes and there is just nothing else left in this world and I'm all alone and all this crap, all this bullshit and many bad things, many negative thoughts come in your mind and mind एक full speed में चलते जाता है, समझ में नहीं आता कि मुझे करना क्या है. Let me tell you, किसी के जाने से life नहीं रुकती है. You have a lot to do in your life. You have many things are waiting for you. बहुत कुछ सीखना है, बहुत कुछ करना है life में. रोते नहीं बैठना है. You have to accept it and you have to move on. I'm not saying that jump into any other relationship right away. In fact, you're not supposed to do that. If you just had breakup, just give some time to yourself to heal. When you feel that you are ready by your mind to accept someone else and to go through all the process again, you can think about someone else. But you know what? Right now, you have to give some time to yourself, some time to your mind to heal first. I hope this helps you somewhere. I'll be really glad if you comment and tell me that it really helped you somewhere, or if it's relatable to you or anything as such. Do let me know. I'm gonna catch you soon with something really interesting next time. Till then, stay tuned. Bye. And hello, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and please share it with a person who is going through this phase of life. I am really sure it's gonna help that person.